Happy MEMFI guys, welcome to today's video. And in this video I will be sharing full updates you need to know before you receive your launch airdrop of MEMFI coin. Mining stopped on November 15, which is yesterday. We have taken a final snapshot of all balances. Mining rewards are officially closed. So guys, if you are mining MEMFI, if your account is banned or your account is not banned, guy, watch this video till the end and get full update about MEMFI. You can still play after the snapshot. We won't freeze the game. That one I them know what's in they talk. Secondly, this is what they say: 50 million plus users set for MEMFI airdrop. MEMFI is a community first project, now 50 million strong. We are ready to deliver an amazing airdrop. Keep the momentum going. Jump into our daily giveaway event for a shot at serious real prize. Then what they wrote again: no mercy, 100% banned on bots and cheaters. We have tracked down all the cheaters. Zero chance of script users getting airdrops. Stay tuned to our social to find out for new on the cheater purge. Alright, so they are banning account back to back. What these people are up to? More big news dropping. Join the MEMFI community to catch all the latest updates first. We have got incredible plans for the post TGE future. You will love staying here. Wow, so let's see what is going to happen, guys, as we are watching for them. Want real rewards? Here your chance. Jump into our daily giveaway event and grab your share of up to 4,000 USD in prize. Test your luck and have a blast in our massive MEMFI ecosystem. Finally, this is what they say: meet MEMFI stars, new incentive model. You can collect stars starting right now. It is the next MEMFI stage, a valuable asset that will become the backbone of the MEMFI ecosystem economy. So let's start and see. So this is what happened. I complete different rewards. All right, I complete this, I didn't complete this one, complete this one, not complete this one, complete this one, complete this one. So I don't know if these people are going to give me airdrop, but I'm waiting, because the reason why I say so, my wallet is not connected. So this is what is showing on my balance. So if you come to wallet right here, you see that still my wallet is here to connect, because whenever I connect my wallet, it will still carry me back to the same place. I don't know what is going on with my MEMFI, but let me try this time around. If your own is disconnecting like my own, let's try it together. So this is my old MEMFI. All right, so let me try and connect it again. I've tried this several times, but I don't know. Let me try again. So after putting my password, let me try and log in. So this is it. Let me sign in. The only one step for me to sign in. All right, let me sign in for this message. Transaction sent. All right, so it's showing me that transaction sent. Let me see what is going to happen. Your transaction will proceed in few seconds. So let's wait and see what is going on. Right now my MEMFI is connected. Finally. So I don't know these people, so they try for me, sha. Now later way after everything don't collapse, now they can't do this one for me. No problem, sha. So let me wait for the airdrop. All right, let me wait for the airdrop. This is my wallet here. My wallet is connected. All right, so before my wallet is not connected, but this is what just happened. This is a miracle. Guys. So what am I going to do? I'm going to wait for them for the airdrop. All right, so finally my wallet is connected on MEMFI. This is a miracle. Last I go at least achieve something from MEMFI. Guys, you can see I don't have plenty coins though, not just small. So they don't pack everything. This is what they got, they gave to me. So let's wait for the next phase and see what is going to happen. All right, so I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, so that many people will also benefit from it. Thank you guys. If you're having any problem with your MEMFI, keep trying. Use VPN in case. Let me recommend you with this VPN. So this is the VPN I want you to use. Use this VPN, connect it to France. Connect this VPN to France. It's going to work for you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and share.